Hello, friend. Welcome back. In our previous section, we will be covered actually learn what you will learn. Actually, this data is comes from the course goal into our backend. You already knows that how to manage course goal about the particular courses. Okay, so now this is the time. This is our live URL devexplorers.xyz, and here you see that not require this requirement actually is we just take to description. Better we just skip it. It's just nothing. It just is a section for the card section and something like we just. I wanna to take. It's just need to remove for this better we just focus actually the description, and this description data will comes from our backend, so don't worry. And this is our actually description about the particular courses. Okay, and this description put in into this here before the course content. Okay, so now go to the VS Code and should take action. Now initially look at this. Actually, this was our index. Okay, so learn section will be completed, and now next section will be course content. And course content here, this is the course content area, but we just I just skip for the course description part. So better I just put the comment of course description. That's okay. Okay. So first take for this div, and this is, template bootstrap class I will be added. So just course overview card and put some h3 description. It's just like a design, nothing's other way. It's simple. So bootstrap class you already got this template. Actually I just shared for our fonting template. You will get some video description. We just comment actually done carry description just okay. And now if not need to take any description actually, not needed because of the this is the HTML I will be putting here. Why just put in? Because of that, this description will be rich editor. Actually, security editor, one kinds of security editor. So it's combined with HTML. I just show you why I just put in into here. Now go to the VS Code and see what actually data is came or not. Just skip reload. Yes, look at this. The description will be came and it will be very fantastic way. Okay, and that's a perfect. This data will be perfect. And actually, why this exclamatory sign? So now I just try for PHP my admin. Here is my PHP my admin. Go to the LMS and it will be LMS2. Here is the courses, and maybe what's the issue? And here, this is our description. Okay, it's just for this here. It's just look at this. Lot of HTML snippet is be added into our texts. Okay, lots of tag. So that's why I make this syntax like exclamatory syntax. Okay, if I just manage the as usual Laravel variable declaration process, it gonna be wrong. Because of that, this is a rich syntax, a rich editor or whatever. Actually, it's a secret editor. Okay, so that's why if you just you or just one thing to show, look at this. This is a code, and here database will input this type of code. Okay, actually tag will be not needed. We just avoid the tag. Actually, we just need to for data. So so that's why, so grabbing that data grabbing process, so that's why we make a exclamatory sign. Okay, fine. And description will be shown, and the next process will be what will be processed. This is the course content. Actually, this is the most important things of this course detail page, course content. And this course content is like, looks like is similar, right? Is looks like is similar, and already we make a course content and go to the courses, and this is our course section. Okay, here is my course section, and this course section will be a specific course section under the course lecture specifically. And this course lecture will be put into in here. Better, we just need to mode accordingly course section as well as mode according to course lecture. So that's why I needs to insert the data. So better, next video I will manage actually this all of this phase will be dynamic. So okay, and if you like this video, please subscribe of my channel, and you know that your small contribution to mm, grow a lot, and also motivated and inspired for a new video. Actually, friend, I just share this resource is very full of free of cost. You learn a lot. If you are a beginner, the course will be your asset of your career. So if this project you can put your portfolio, and definitely you can manage it a intern or junior software developer, because this I just follow, this is the latest industry trend coding practice. So okay, thank you so much. Let's see for the next video.